Hello, this is Mr. Willis, and I'm going to show you how to save a picture based on the things you've created in Google Sketchup. And so by this point, we've had a lot of fun importing new models, creating models of our own, adding on textures, and we're ready to say, you know what, I am all finished. I want to save this. So here's what you need to do. First and foremost, and you've probably figured this out already, always make sure that you do a file and save as, and save it into your folder, which of course is computer. It'll have your class name there where it has my teacher name here, and then find your individual folder inside here in order to save your model. Like I'll just save it with 1C for right now. Once you've done that, that saves a copy of the model. The only problem with that is if I want to show it off somewhere like the GCMS website or maybe make some printouts or something like that, we really need to save a picture of the model as well. So here's how I do that. I'm going to once again go to File, but this time I'm going to go to Export. And I have two different options here. I could export a 3D model. That's if I was wanting to put a model in the warehouse, kind of like what many other nice people have done. But for this, we just want to export a 2D graphic. So it's like I'm just going to take a photo of what I'm seeing. And when I click that, it's going to take whatever is on my screen and then pop up a Save As dialog box where, of course, I'm still going to go to Computer, Your Name, and find your folder. Okay, so you might want to make sure before you actually save, is this the view that you want to save? Like for instance, if I was up here coloring some stuff and I were to hit File, Export 2D Picture right now, all I'd see is this brick wall. And that doesn't show off anywhere near the work that I did on this model. So I'm going to, of course, zoom out, make sure that I can see all of my models, make sure I can see some of the ground that I can put in. That looks much better. That's a much better picture for me to export into a 2D graphic. Once you have completed this, and make sure of course that you give a good file name to it, I'll call this one Willis